Solo backpacking in India can be an incredible adventure, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. Whether you are a seasoned backpacker or a first-time traveler, here are some unique tips to help make your solo trip safe and enjoyable. 1. Choose your destinations carefully. One of the most important things to consider when traveling to India is packing the appropriate clothes for your destination. The weather in the north and south of the country can vary greatly, so it's important to pack clothes that are suitable for the climate. For instance, the mountainous areas in the north can reach lows of 7 degrees Celsius during the coldest time of the year, while the south won't usually drop below 25 degrees all year round. 2. Learn some local dialects. In addition to Hindi, India has many local dialects and languages that vary from state to state. Learning some basic phrases in the local dialect of the region you're visiting can help you connect with locals on a deeper level and show your respect for their culture. 3. Embrace Indian food. India is a food lover's paradise, with a diverse range of cuisine that varies from region to region. Embrace the local food and try everything from street food to fine dining. Don't be afraid to ask locals for recommendations, and be open to trying new things. 4. Respect local customs and culture. India has a rich and diverse cultural heritage, and it's important to respect local customs and traditions. Dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites, and remove your shoes before entering temples and homes. Also, be mindful of local customs around food, social interactions, and public behavior. 5. Purify your water. Some people assume that food poisoning can only come from the food you eat, but a lot of the time it can come from contaminated water. It is recommended to drink fresh, bottled water and to check the seal of the bottle before purchasing. Investing in a water bottle with an integrated filter can also save money and reduce the use of plastic bottles. 6. Use public transport. India has a well-developed network of public transportation that is safe, affordable, and convenient. Use buses and trains to get around, and consider using ride-sharing apps like Ola and Uber for shorter distances. In conclusion, solo backpacking in India can be an enriching and rewarding experience if done right. By following these tips and being open to new experiences, you can create unforgettable memories and have the adventure of a lifetime.